Alright guys, so today I am doing a squishy package, but you don't get my full reaction because I've already opened it off camera, so yeah. But I did order the Jumbo Panda Bun off of Banggood.com. It's a China-based website, it's free shipping, and it's really cheap. Like, that was $3, so yeah. So yeah, let's just get right onto it. So this is it. This is all it came in, like the package. It was a small package, it was like all crinkled up, but yeah. So I'll open it. It's in the crinkly packaging as well. So yeah, here it is. I got the one with the tongue poking out, and these ones, it was on random. You didn't get to choose like which one, what face you wanted. So yeah, here is the slow rising. It's really, really slow rising. So yeah, but my only three concerns is that you guys probably can't see, but it left like a grey mark from the strap where it was like pressing against while it wasn't shipping. And my second concern is that it's quite defected. That's not from me, but like on the top and everything, but that doesn't matter. And my third concern, and you guys can't see, but it's like the face is not in the middle. Like, obviously they can't get it straight in the middle, but it's on like the side, like over there, which is kind of sad, but yeah, doesn't really matter. I don't remember if I said or not, but I have got a lot of squishy packages coming, so she ordered one today, so from Banggood. So I hope you guys enjoyed my like squishy package, but yeah, bye guys, have a great day.